Alright, here we go. Now we're going to do another example here. Where'd that C thing? Oh, what's going on? Let's go to this. Let's go to that. Let's go to that. Okay, now we're ready to go. What's that? It's a pen now. Yeah, I think I had it on caps lock. I think that's what it was. I just noticed that. I like it much better as a pen. Let's do this. Let's make this look a little like a, let's go positive 20. So it looks like the one in the book. Yep. And it's actually stretched out just a little bit more like that. Okay. So that looks like the one in the book. Let's put some stuff in here. We say that this is 45 degrees. So that's 45 degrees. And this is 8.5. This is in millimeters. This is 15. This whole entire thing from here to here is 15. Alright. What else do we have? Oh, they give you the height. Well, actually, they don't give you the height. Let's do that in a different color. They show you where the height is from there to there. It's not exactly drawn to scale according to the numbers that they give you, but that's okay. We can deal with that, can't we? And there's the height. Let's go back to black. Okay. Let's see. Am I missing anything? I think they got everything here. Yeah. Now, what we want to do is we want to find the area of this thing. Let's just draw it down here. The area equals, what is area? Well, let's do it up here. Watch. Area equals base times height of a parallelogram, correct? What is our base on this thing right here? 15, yeah. If this is our 15, all right, so watch. Area equals base, which is 15, times the height. What's the height? It's this one right here. I don't know what it is. Doesn't tell me. So what do I have to do? I got to figure it out. Now look what they give you. They give you this as 45 degrees. So what are we going to have to do to figure out what that height is? Yeah, you could realize it's 45, 45, 90, right? And the legs is square root of 2 times the hypotenuse. You could do that if you like. Or the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times one of the legs, I should say. I'm sorry. Or let's just do a regular trig function. You can do what? Well, tangent is what? Opposite over adjacent. I don't know the adjacent. So let's use the sine. Right. So it's opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So let's do the sine. So I'm going to have to do a little work now. You never thought with area you'd go back to the trig stuff, did you? But we are. So let's do it. It's the sine of 45 degrees equals the opposite h over the hypotenuse, which is 8.5. This is easy trigs, not hard. H by itself, multiply both sides by 8.5. All right, and let's use our calculator and chuck all that stuff in there. It's not that hard. It's 8. Oh, there it is right there. I did it in my last class, and it's still up there. See it? 8.5 sine of 45, just like we have here. 6.01. Let's just write 6. Okay, so the height is 6. This is in millimeters, if you want to do it that way. So that's all we wanted, isn't it? That's all we had to do. All right, so it's 6 millimeters. So that 6 goes right there. What do you do to find the area of this whole thing? Multiply them together. 15 times 6 is 90. It's in millimeters, and it's area, so it's what? Millimeters squared. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a little bit more difficult because they didn't tell you straight up what the height was, did they? You had to do a little trig to figure that out, which really wasn't all that big of a deal. All right. Okay, that was area of a what? Parallelogram. Very good. Everybody still awake? Area of a parallelogram. Now, what do you think we're going to go to? Area. We did area of a rectangle. We did area of a parallelogram. Yeah, let's go triangle. Okay, so we'll get rid of this and go to triangle this time.